Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have collaborated with other two YouTubers, Raniya and Cook with Raniya, and we came up with 3 different types of rice. So I'm going to be making rice with onion toppings and fried meat. Raniya is going to be making rice with green grams toppings, and Cook with Raniya is going to be making vegetable rice and tuna rice. So sit back and relax and enjoy our recipe. So on today's ingredients, you'll need grated carrots, coriander and green bell peppers, black pepper, garam masala spices, curry powder, 1 Royco cube, some salt to taste, and turmeric. You'll also need paprika powder, yogurt, 1 lime or lemon, 2.5 cups of rice, cooking oil, 5 onions chopped into small pieces, garlic and ginger blended together, and meat. So first and foremost, I'm going to marinate my meat. So I'll start by a half tablespoon of salt, a half tablespoon of turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Then followed by a half tablespoon of curry powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. Then add mixture of ginger and garlic blended together. Then add your yogurt and mix everything well together. So I'm going to be adding small amount of yogurt as I mix my marinated meat. Then squeeze a half lemon juice, then mix everything well together. Then cover it and let it sit for an hour so that your meat can marinate well. Into your cooking pan, add some few amount of cooking oil, then followed by garam masala spices. Then mix everything well together. Then add ginger and garlic spices blended together and mix everything well. After that, you'll add your marinated meat into the sufuria and then mix everything well together. While your meat is cooking, prepare some cooking oil on your pan and fry your onions. You'll fry them until you get a nice golden brown color. Then I'm going to prepare my rice. So I'll add 2.5 cups of rice, then I'll add 4 cups of water. Then later I will add some salt to taste. Then I'll mix everything well. The cooking oil I had used to fry my oil, I'll add 2 spoons of oil and let it cook. Then I'll add some water to let my meat to cook well. Then close it and let it cook. When the water has reduced, you'll add some grated carrots and some raisins in the rice. Then I'll open up my meat pan and add 1 Royco cube, curry powder, and the remaining grated carrots and some green bell peppers. Then I'll mix everything well. When the water has reduced, I'll add some onions that I had fried them. Then I'll mix everything well, and my meat is ready, as you can see in the video. When my rice is ready, I'll serve it on my bowl while I add some onion toppings in it. As you can see in the video what I'm doing, I'll be adding rice and then I'll be adding fried onions in it so that I can get a nice color. And my fried onion topping rice is ready, so don't forget to watch my 2 other fellow YouTubers video so that you can get to learn how to make 3 different types of rice. And thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, and comment down below after you are done. And bye.